In this video, I'm going to show you how to download data from SurveyMonkey step by step so you can export your survey results quickly and understand the one important limitation you need to know before you start. If you've ever needed to save responses for reporting, analysis, spreadsheets, or sharing with your team, this guide will walk you through the process in the simplest way possible. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. You can type in surveymonkey.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you reach the SurveyMonkey home screen, you'll see your surveys listed in your dashboard. Next, click on the survey that contains the data you want to download. This is the survey whose results you want to export. After opening it, look for the Analytics or Results area. In SurveyMonkey, this is typically where you review your responses, charts, and summary data. Now click on Analyze Results. This will take you into the section where SurveyMonkey organizes the response data for your survey. Inside this area, you should see options for reviewing the results and exporting them. Once you're in Analyze Results, look for the Export button. Click Export to open the export options. This is the step that lets you create a downloadable file from your survey responses. After that, click New Export. SurveyMonkey will begin setting up a new export file for your data. This is where you choose the format and prepare the results for download. At this point, it's important to note one key detail. Depending on your SurveyMonkey plan, you may need to upgrade to export your data. If the export feature is locked, SurveyMonkey will show that you need a paid plan before you can download the responses. So if you don't see the download option available, that's usually the reason. If your account does allow exporting, continue through the export prompts and choose the file format you want. Many users choose CSV or Excel so they can open the results in Spreadsheet software and analyze the responses more easily. Once the export is ready, download the file to your computer. After the file downloads, open it and confirm that your survey data came through correctly. You should now have access to your responses outside of SurveyMonkey, which makes it much easier to sort, filter, chart, or share the information with your team. So, to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, choose Export, then select New Export. And remember, if export is blocked, you may need to upgrade your plan before you can download the data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next software how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.